Hey kids! Did you know you can make your own Minecraft skin of your favorite characters? Like those from the exciting book series Bright Family from Epic Originals. A Minecraft skin is like a virtual costume that you can put on your Minecraft avatar. It can be anything you want, from a superhero to a ninja to your favorite celebrity. And the best part is you can create your own custom skins using tools like Tynker. This video will show you how to make a skin for Jayden Bright from the Bright Family series, the genius son of the super scientists Vanira and Benjamin Bright. Okay, Jayden, try not to look so bored. The first thing to do is make sure we're on the Tynker homepage. Click on the box that reads New Project. You should be on the block coding page. Now, select Minecraft from the list on the left. Go to the search bar and type Steve. Click your selection, and we're ready to start creating Jayden Bright. Go to the skin editor and use a dark brown gradient to create Jayden's face. Change the color to black to give him eyes and a mouth. Jayden wears a signature Bright Family exosuit. This suit helps him safely explore strange and fascinating alien planets. Functional and fashionable. Not to mention certified cool. The exosuit is coming along nicely. Meanwhile, let's take a closer look at what a day in the life of Jayden Bright is like. When he's not having fun with his alien friends at his intergalactic middle school, this comic book-loving boy genius goes on adventures across the multiverse. Jayden has met aliens of every kind, from adorable little squishes to huge kaijus that love wrestling. He may seem like a snarky goof, but he's always there to help out anyone in need. He's even helped prevent an intergalactic food war. Switch to a lighter yellow color to add accents to the exosuit and make it look more comic book accurate. Now that the suit is complete, switch to a blackish blue color to draw the hair and finish your Minecraft skin. Mission complete! Jayden is ready to hop through a portal and into Minecraft. Be prepared for anything with Jayden Bright on your side. I hope you had fun following along. Meet Jayden Bright and other exciting Epic characters and read all about their fun adventures only on Epic.